Have you ever wished you could turn back time, just for a moment, to fix a mistake, say something you left unsaid, or relive a perfect day? Well, in a quiet little town, there was a peculiar clock that could do just that. This clock, standing tall in the town square, was different. It was filled with regret. With every tick forward, it felt a pang for all the past mistakes and missed opportunities of the townspeople. So one night, it made a decision. It started turning its hands backward. Suddenly time started to reverse. People found themselves reliving moments they had long wished they could change. A forgotten promise was finally kept. A broken friendship was mended with a heartfelt apology. Careless words were swallowed before they could cause any harm. At first it was magical. Life felt simpler, easier, filled with endless second chances. Who wouldn't want that? But the magic didn't last. Soon, chaos began to creep in. Undoing one decision created a ripple effect, causing brand new problems no one saw coming. Friendships that were mended too quickly fell apart in new, more painful ways. Even moments of happiness felt hollow and artificial, like watching a movie you've already seen. The townspeople started to realize something important. Revisiting the past was tempting, but trying to change it was like trying to build a house on quicksand. The present started to crumble. Finally, the exhausted clock stopped ticking altogether. Where its pendulum once swung, a small note appeared. It read, "The past is a teacher, not a playground." The town learned a valuable lesson that day. You can't change the past without breaking the present. From then on, they cherished every tick forward, no matter how imperfect. They understood that moving forward, learning from our mistakes, and embracing the unknown is the only way we can truly grow. The past shapes us, but the future is where we live. So next time you find yourself wishing you could go back, remember the clock in the square. Learn from your past, but always, always live forward. Thanks for watching, and if this story resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.